You know? You hear me?
That sounds like a sponge that you used to clean your dishes with.
Yeah,
you recording? Alright, what's good, YouTube? My name is Jojo. And we in New York right now. There's a little epidemic going around. We're gonna be selling a boost around Manhattan. We're gonna be selling these boosts taken into consideration based on the coronavirus. So we got hand sanitizer, we got wipes, we got all that. And while we at it, everyone is afraid of the coronavirus.
It was on accident, I swear. Yeah, on accident though.
We're gonna be taking that into account in our video. You're gonna see what that means later. We're gonna be helping the community and we're gonna be seeing what people think at the same time.
Go like this, bro. Go like this. Hey, yo, you wash your hands today, yo?
Hey, you didn't wash your hands today.
Sure, bro?
Yo, I'm putting the middle. You wash your hands today?
We look like buffoons.
Tell her to get quiet.
What's the inside of yo?
Did you wash your hands today? Hey, it's rude!
Go like this, bro. Go like this. I don't know how you open this. Open this one. Hey, you want your hands down, bro? Oh, no, bro. You definitely need some, bro. You definitely need some. Pull that car, bro.
It's Corona time. Hey, it's Corona time right now.
Hey. Hey, yo, boss.
Hey, yo,
you got hand sanitizer?
got you covered, bro. Y'all need some?
You need some? You need something, Bob?
Did you wash your hands today, boss?
Hey, you want some? Huh?
Yeah, free.
Got you. Who's $3?
You got to keep the community safe.
Plus tax. So that was $1. I give you $1.
$1?
You got it free. We don't need no money. We're just trying to help this community.
Just open your hands.
Bro.
Yeah.
It's all for you.
It's all for you, yo.
Hey, it's Corona time right now.
Yeah. No, don't touch me.
God bless you. I love you. God bless you.
You got watch hands today, bro?
Better be safe than sorry.
It's for free. Free 99.
Yeah, we just trying to keep the community safe.
It's up to you, but we
The donation.
free, man.
We're trying to help the community with the corona.
Here, man, take a leave. I know. For free.
Free 99.
Fuck you.
Hey, that's disrespect. Did you wash your hands today? Suck my dick.
You want some for free? For free.
It's free. It's free. It's free.
It's free.
That's all right, sir. In the parking spot.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yo, miss. Did you wash your hands today? Did you wash your hands today? We got you. It's free. It's free. We looking out.
Appreciate y'all.
Nah, corona, yeah. You get a handshake with your legs. We got you for free.
Take the whole bottle.
I see you. That's all you.
You better use it. It's not free. It's $3 plus tax. All right? It wasn't cheap. All right? Get out the way.
Did you wash your hands today? It's free.
Tell me you wash your hands. $3.99.
Suck my dick.
We have hand sanitizer. Trying to keep the community safe, bro.
It's for free. You can have it for
Yeah,
yourself.
you can have it for yourself.
That's all you.
All for you.
Ah. Yeah, let me see you put it on. Hey. Oh.
Have a nice day, man. You look beautiful today. Hey, bro. I love your smile.
Yo, check them. Yo, he think he low. This nigga trying to scoop.
I appreciate the awareness, but you guys can't do anything, right? Need a permit.
A permit for what?
We're not
we need
We just giving it out, boss.
I know, but you can't do it. You need a permit because it's private property. I'm not trying to start trouble.
Nah, yeah. But if you want some?
Oh, what's up, Joel?
No, I looked at that bullshit and I'm like, you know what?
Yo, I'm gonna smack you.
I'm sorry, pero yo tengo esa cosa de corona. Eso me pegó. They gave it to me, bro. bro. I'm gonna get a video with you. Is that even black?
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Mission abort, mission abort. I'm sorry. I'm cool. I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
Seemed deliberate.
Huh?
Seemed deliberate.
Nah.
It seemed deliberate.
It was on accident, I swear.
Seemed deliberate.
Yeah, well, on accident though, like he was.
Seemed deliberate.
Hey, AAK, little nigga strapped with the AAK.
Hey, it was a prank, it was a prank. It's just water. It's just water. It's just water. It's just water. It's just water.
But you're a dude.
But it's just water.
But you're a dude.
But it's just water.
But you're a dude.
Bro,
I knew
water.
it was water.
Yeah,
I'm a douchebag. I
You
know.
are a douchebag.
I know. I'm sorry. Facts. What are you? What are you?
I'm the guy who figured out you're a dude.
Nah, you're a douchebag.
I'm sorry. Nah, it's because I've been experiencing some flu-like symptoms recently.
You're not even fucking just saying that, right? Go ahead, film it. That's what you're trying to do, right? We're not gonna have a reaction, so we're not getting a reaction, okay? So what other reaction did you want?
Good one.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So it didn't work.
yeah.
Where my glasses fell, bro. I've been experiencing flu-like symptoms recently. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that.
Why would you do that?
Oh my. Why you did that? This Corona's coming around to the skin, nigga.
I'm playing with you.
Hey, can I get your number though?
That's not right. You can't have all that ass. If I don't get it, I don't get it.
If you don't get it, yes, we're slapping the shit out of you. Are you though? You gotta show us. You gotta show us. You gotta show us.
Nah, bitch.
No more talking. Just do it. Do this shit. Come on.
Yeah. I'm gonna give her a call and she won't give me her number. Joel.
You spraying me again with the water.
Nah, cause the same way when I gave you Corona, I want to see if you give me your number. That was cute.
Alright, I'll give you.
I need some thongs, yo. Like them sexy thongs. I need some thongs, bro. But can you help me though? I need a thong, like a sexy thong.
Except the job, you think it's over good on me?
I don't know. I don't care. Figure it out.
The customer is always right, man. You gotta be nice to the customer, don't you?
You can't talk to you? You moving real wavy right now.
Yeah.
Chill, Kim K.
Yo, hold on. What is this nigga touching? There's nothing on your head.
Yo, I'm sorry. No cap, I'm sorry.
I know it wasn't.
There's a water bottle.
Are you fucking with me?
I'll fuck you with you.
Thanks, Mr. Ebola.
Boy, what?
I'm sorry. Bro, I'm sorry, bro. What the fuck?
I'm sorry. I've been experiencing some flu-like symptoms recently.
That's not funny.
I'm not fucking with you. It's just a water
I know,
bottle.
but it's not funny. It's not funny.
It don't have to be. It gotta be like communication, like networking and shit. Communication, like networking and shit. Oh shit! You have in your hand.
Do they come unlocked?
You think these fit me?
I think, bro. I think so.
Just throw it in the piece. You're not gonna corona and not for myself, and not infect you. Suck my. That shit again, bro. Suck my dick. I'm from my. What if they didn't record? They didn't record.
Big prank song. Like,
He's nice, bro. No cap. For real.
Alright, so that's the end of the video. Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Let me know what y'all think. That's mad important in the comment section below. My fault, bro. I sneezed on y'all. You gotta like the video now in 5 seconds or you're gonna get corona. 1, 2, 3. I'm looking at you. Like the video. You're not liking the video. I can see you're like the fuck. Nah, but real talk, let me know in the comment section below. Downstairs in the comment section below. What would y'all do if one of us came and ran up on y'all and sneezed on y'all? What would y'all do? Because I'm sneezing on y'all right now and y'all not doing anything. I wipe my camera. Damn, that shit got mad water. So yeah, we went around spreading awareness, giving out hand sanitizer for the coronavirus, you feel me? Niggas in quarantine right now. I'm in the crib. It's kind of boring in here. But I'm done with the video. Like the video before y'all leave. Y'all think